One of the coolest things I've come across on Temu is this portable thermal printer. Since it's portable, it doesn't need to be plugged in all the time, which is super convenient. It connects to your phone or tablet via Bluetooth and to a PC with a USB cable. I was pleasantly surprised when it arrived in just about 2 days. Shipped from one of Temu's local warehouses, whatever that means. Normally I avoid items with the local warehouse symbol because they usually come with a shipping fee. One of the big draws to Temu for me is the free shipping, so knowing that local warehouse items often have a shipping fee is typically a deal breaker. However, this printer came with free shipping, which was a pleasant surprise. The big draw for this printer is that it's inkless. It uses heat to print, hence the term thermal printer. The box includes the printer itself, a USB cord with orange connectors, possibly for faster charging, a simple manual, and some styrofoam packing for protection. To my delight, it also came with a pack of thermal paper neatly folded in the box. This was a huge relief because in my excitement, I didn't realize that it required thermal paper until after I had already placed my order and spent over $200 on other items. I thought I wouldn't be able to use the paper right away, or I wouldn't be able to use the printer right away, but thankfully they included a starter pack of paper. The printer is straightforward. There's a sticker on the front illustrating basic operations. A USB port on the right side, along with a latch to remove the upper tray. I played around with the tray for a little bit, but I quickly moved on because I didn't really know what I was doing. The left side of the printer is bare, and there are 4 slightly raised cushions on each corner of the bottom for stability. The manual instructs you to download the iPrint app from your respective app store. Connecting your phone to the printer via Bluetooth is simple through this app. For PC connections, you'll need to use the USB cable as stated in the manual, and I quote, "Otherwise the printer can't be detected." The manual also notes that the printer is only suitable for thermal paper, so regular paper won't work. The manual is pretty minimalistic, just 2 pages of basic instructions, and then the rest are different languages. It provides a quick overview of the printer's buttons. To turn it on, hold the button down for about 3 seconds until the power indicator lights up. Do the same to turn it off. Pressing the button twice prints a QR code, which you can scan with the app to connect to the printer. I skipped this step since it's not necessary to connect the printer. Running the app is straightforward. After downloading iPrint from the App Store, you'll open it to find a surprisingly colorful menu with more features than I expected. The app quickly detects your printer once it's turned on. On the upper right corner, there'll be an option to select your printer. You can print documents by clicking the share button on your files or folders and selecting the iPrint app. In my tests, I was impressed with how fast it printed. In my test, I was impressed with how fast it printed, although it wasn't quite as fast as I had seen in some videos. Still, I'm happy with the performance. You rip the paper off like tape if it's connected to a roll. Otherwise, you should be able to just pull it right out. I printed a manual for a USB mouse and later tried printing a picture. I was happy with the results, though I did mess up the picture a bit by trying to take it out too early. All in all, my first impressions are that this portable thermal printer is fantastic. It'll definitely come in handy. If you're considering purchasing it but are on the fence, I'd say go for it. I paid just over $60 for this, making it my most expensive item I bought on Temu so far. But it did not disappoint. Big thumbs up.